Hey yo guys, this is G.M.Fx. So I marked these highs because this is gonna be our point of interest for us to continue selling to the downside, as we call it a breakup block as well instead of a point of interest on the monthly time frame. This will also work for us as it happened. We marked the previous monthly high as well as the current monthly high to then sell, creating a breakup block for us to break any single low which is near. So that's gonna happen right here. So this week's proves to us that we are going to be selling to the downside, but for not as long as it breaks the low. So let's continue to the weekly time frame. On the weekly time frame, guys, this is where we see the structure and where the breakup block is literally currently marked, and how are we going to be using it for us to go to the downside. First of all, guys, now I know I'm going to be shorting this position, literally waiting for the market to create a powerful area of interest for us to literally hit our take profit. This is our take profit, guys. I'm not saying it is gonna be 100% hitting our take profit, but I'll mark every single low for you guys to see and understand. If the market creates these highs, this the previous and current high proves to us that we will be shorting the market, guys. So this strategy does work, and this strategy, guys, uses mostly of fair value gaps. So here we have a fair value gap here which was fully closed, as well as here, guys. So right around here we just marked a simple f inverted fair value gap, guys. So on the weekly time frame, as you guys can see, it is literally trying to push to the downside, closing this inverted fair value gap. And what could happen here, it has two options. It's either gonna use this inverted fair value gap to buy as an FVG, or it's gonna sell using as an inverted Favelika, proving us that we'll be shorting this position to the downside, guys, going with the indices of the US30. So clearly identified inverted Favelika gap here, literally mark the weekly high. Okay, so now let's mark every single low we can see. So every single little low we can see as our take profit, just to get out of here without any crime or any investigations left out on the market. So yeah, this is literally, these are the lows that we just marked previously for us to just not just go there as fast as now. So let's just place it here for safety and clearance. So we have like take profit one, take profit two, take profit three. But the main part is understanding where the market direction is and where we could literally place our entry. So as you guys can see, the structure of the market is literally beautiful, but also complicating as well, because the candlesticks are not proving to us or leaving out any inverted fairly gap. Well, I think we're in mistaken, guys, because right now I literally just seen an inverted fair value gap once again, guys. So this fair value gap, guys, play a very big role for us to literally short the position going to the downside, for us to get a profitable setup as well. So right here, I'm going to be marking an inverted fair value gap, anticipating for us to short this position. So literally here we're gonna be expecting on a daily time frame for us to wait for another daily candlestick to come out, and then we are going to be placing our short position, which is gonna be our trade, right? So you can see this inverted fair value gap which I marked here. As you guys can see, I'm going to use the 4 hour time frame to see and identify any areas of entry. So here, this candlestick used another fair value gap. Right? Even with the fair value gaps and fair value gaps play a very big role for us to place a very perfect entry, guys. Please remind yourself of that. So yes, this is our FVG. So I will place my short position here, guys. Place my short position here, guys. Literally, I'm gonna place my stop loss at this high, but I'll place it high because low risk, guys. Low risk, guys, for us. So I'm gonna place it here, knowing very well we are going to be shorting this to go through this inverted fair value gap, passing it down to placing our take profits one, guys. Knowing very well that we have a lot of lows which we're gonna be anticipating for. Okay, yeah. So, wait, guys. Okay. Now we have a lot of take profits, guys. We're literally gonna be anticipating for this. low to get broken, and then this one as well. But let's expect for take profit run to get liquidated, and then we can see where we're gonna be proceeding with the US30 indices market. So let's get into it. I'm gonna yeah. Don't forget, guys, we're big this video. So yeah, guys, don't forget that. Wait, what the? Oh, guys, this is where we're currently at. Oh my god, I literally forgot. But yeah, this is where we're currently at in the market. So this big testing literally ended here, proving to us that we are going to be shorting US daily, guys. That's a prediction that we are anticipating and expecting as well. So here we're going to be shorting US daily. I wouldn't say there are other opportunities there for now for us to enter, but what we can do is literally wait for other fair value gaps and inverted fair value gaps to be opened, and then we can use it against the market to sell to the downside, proceeding with our trend on our downtrend. So yeah, guys, this is on US daily. Prediction is on the sell. Let me remove my short position for you guys and to mark any anticipation that could possibly happen. Okay. So let's go on to the 2 hour time frame and see if there's anything. Okay, let me just move this, guys. Let me just remove that, and then here I'm gonna be marking. Now, what I'm marking is our anticipation for what could possibly happen for the market, guys. Even though we are on a short position already right now, so as you guys can see, it literally created inverted fair value gaps already, creating liquidity that is going to be used against the buyers as well as the sellers. So it's going to be hard. But right now, there are sellers already entering the market here, which is bad because the market is literally going to liquidate it as soon as possible. There are sellers already anticipating for this lot to get liquidated. Instead, the market is going to be buying, guys, knowing very well that we placed short positions because the market goes by liquidity, and liquidity is our stop losses as well as entries, not our take profits. So right here, there's a possible buy intersection here. So why am I going to be buying back to my entry? Does that make sense? Yes, because we have another fair value gap here, which is expecting and waiting for the market to come back, make a pullback, and then enter another short position. So here, guys, we're going to be placing a short position. Hope you guys wait patiently, because patience is the key to success when it comes to forex as well, and other things that make money come to you. Okay, let's place this stop loss here. So this is our anticipation on USD. This is gonna be our prediction for now and setup. Actually, not even prediction, 100% confirmed setup. So here, guys, on USD, we're gonna be buying, liquidating every single high that is there, so that we can enter this inverted fair value gap. Guys, let me mark it for you. Inverted fair value gaps. Mark it for you guys. When it comes to letters, yes, guys. So this is what we're going to be using against the market to sell, but we're going to be buying for a couple of hours if possible. But we'll see how the market carries out and how much liquidity it has for the day to hold up for that we could buy and then sell, selling with full force, guys. So this is gonna be our high, but you're gonna be liquidating. This is our high, guys. Please don't mistake it. So yeah, we're gonna be fine. So this can literally be a signal for you guys if you do watch the video and like and subscribe, guys. This is the inverted fair value cap we're gonna be using. So where would I place my stop loss? I will literally place it here. If you risk more, obviously here, but this is not a trade we would want to enter right now because it is a risky trade. As you guys can see, the kind of that just got launched. But guys, trading indices is very hard and impacting. So yeah, this is our take profit, stop loss, possibly here lower than the low, or you want to risk less and place it here. That's your decision to make. But if the market sells now, it is going to be selling to liquidate this low and then continue with a bullish trend going to the upside, because this is inverted fair value gap is going to be used with full potential and giving us a very bearish trend. So yeah, guys, thank you very much. On US 30 5 minute time frame, the market is launching liquidity, knowing very well that there are sellers entering here, which we're gonna liquidate them all. So thank you very guys.